Welcome to the episode 1 of Pune Property Pulse, a series where I teach you the basics of navigating the real estate market in Pune and help you find your dream home. Right now, I'm standing in the sales office of Pristine Kaira. This project is located in Viman Nagar. I'll tell you shortly all the details of the project. Before that, I'd like to tell you if you want any guidance with this property, my consultation comes with zero brokerage. So let's get ahead with a stunning sample flat and all the details. Right now I'm standing outside the sales office of Pristine Kaira. As you can see, it is located right next to the Symbiosis International School. This is where you enter the project from. And ये जो road connect होता है, it leads directly to the inner Viman Nagar area. तो आपको connectivity बहुत अच्छी मिलती है. Now talking about the project, ये project में आपको मिलेंगे 3, 3.5 and 4.5 BHK apartments. When I'm talking about 3.5 BHK apartments, the carpet size that you'll get, it's going to be 2000 plus. And when I talk about 4.5 BHK, इसका carpet आपको मिलेगा 2600 plus. So that's the space that you're going to get with the project. Now let's get inside and check out the model. So this is going to be the model of the project. ये project में आपको मिलेंगे 5 towers and this project is built on 3.3 acres. So as you can see this road, this is going to be a 60 meter wide road जहाँ पे मैंने अपना introduction shoot किया था जो मैं sales office के बाहर रुका था. That is the road. So ये जो road है, it connects from the Symbiosis International School and you go directly to inner Viman Nagar. It is parallel to Dorabji. So this is going to be the amenity space of the project. As you can see, यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा 25 meters semi-Olympic size swimming pool. And उसके अलावा the amenities that I should point out is that you're going to get a squash court, a golf simulator and a bowling alley. So usually you have to pay for all these amenities when you go out, but you're gonna get these in a society itself. And this project all over has 50 plus amenities. So that's the level of options that you're gonna have with this project. And this project is gonna have podium level, ground level, and they're gonna have a rooftop amenity. So there are gonna be 3 options for you, and you're gonna have only 230 units. इसके अलावा if I talk about this project is following the norms of being IGBC certified, Indian Green Building Council. So it was formed in 2001. So what it usually does is if a society is eco-friendly and it's following the norms of being sustainable with water and energy, that's when you get the certificate. So they are following all the rules to be IGBC certified. So now let's have a look at the sample flat. So before entering the sample flat, जो आपको पहली चीज मिलती है is going to be a servants quarters. Let's go inside. This servants room is 10.5 by 6.11. The size is very decent. You get an attached washroom. You also get a full-size window. Now let's have a look at the sample flat. I hope you're ready because I surely was not. As you enter, this is going to be an entry foyer which is going to be 6.6 by 10.10. The size is very decent if you ask me. So अगर आपको पता है foyer क्या होता है, so foyer is usually a place where you greet your guests as they enter your home. Must foyer है ना? Now let's have a look at the living and dining space. Right now I'm standing in the living area, which is 14.0 by 21.5. It is quite spacious, and if you're someone who loves to host parties or get-togethers, your guests can actually get cozy and comfortable in here. Right now I'm standing in the dining area. This dining area is 14.0 by 10.6. ये पूरे dining area में you can easily fit an 8-seater dining table. There's also one thing that I would love to point out. As you can see this wall connects to your servants quarters. So if you want, you can club the servants quarters to your living and dining. That actually makes your hall a lot more spacious. That is ultra luxury right there. Let's have a look at the kitchen. Right now I'm standing in the kitchen. So ये kitchen में आपको exact parallel platform मिलेगा with a snowy white finish countertop. आपको नीचे के cabinets नहीं मिलेंगे. You will get only the countertop. And इसके साथ you also have a window for ventilation and you also have a separate sink right here. So if you talk about this kitchen, ये kitchen है 11.4 into 10, and it also has an attached utility room, which is also called a dry balcony, which is 5.4 by 10, which has a separate sink itself. But बढ़िया चीज़ बोलता हूँ मैं. So this apartment comes with Italian marble flooring. So Italian marble flooring don't only scream luxury, but they're also sustainable and they're also very durable. Now let's have a look at the bedrooms. अभी मैं खड़ा हूँ in the guest bedroom. This is your first bedroom, which is going to be 12.0 into 14.8. You also get an attached bath and you get an access to the deck, which I'll show you shortly. So this flat is actually a butterfly layout. So आपका जो guest bedroom होगा is going to be on the other side and your other 3 bedrooms on that side of the apartment. You also get an access to the deck. Right now I'm standing in the balcony deck, which is 26.8 by 6.11. The size is very long. As you can see, it is actually very long. I'm very surprised, and it's connected to your guest bedroom and your living and dining. One thing I would like to show you, please come here. अब देखोगे, once I opened the windows, the living, dining and the balcony, the space has increased so much. So there's one more thing I like to point out is that when you club the servants' room and your living and dining, you can only imagine the amount of space that you're gonna get. So as you enter this lobby, the first thing that you would see on your right is a powder room, which is 5.0 by 4.11, which is followed by your second bedroom. Right now I'm standing in the second bedroom. This bedroom is 11.0 into 16.11. The size is very decent. Even with the furniture, you can see it's not feeling clustered. It's actually very spacious, it's very roomy. It also gets an attached washroom. And I want to point out a very interesting thing that I want to tell you. This flat mein you're gonna get attached washroom with each and every bedroom. Plus you're gonna get a separate powder room. What does that do? That will help you with maintaining your privacy. We already covered 70% of the sample flat, but I saved the best for the last. So this flat has 2 master bedrooms. Let's have a look at the first master bedroom. As you enter, the first thing that you see on your right is a walk-in wardrobe. This is going to be your master bedroom. It is 18.6 into 12.2. You can see the size. The size is actually very spacious. And you also get a standing balcony. So in the evening, if you want, you can just open the curtains and you can just enjoy your coffee in this room. हमने अभी just देखा the first master bedroom. Now we can take a look at the second master bedroom. So this master bedroom has a walk-in wardrobe. But this walk-in wardrobe is a little different because यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा provision for your very own bathtub and a separate wet and dry area. Please have a look. As you enter the walk-in closet, I told you there's something special about this walk-in closet, is that you get a provision for a bathtub. You also get a separate wet and a dry area. You also get a double sink for him and her. And the brand that they're providing is Toto. So Toto is a Japanese company. It is very well known in the bathroom fixtures industry. So Each and every bathroom fixture in this house is from the brand called Toto. And Toto is ultra luxury brand because they use their products only in hotels and resorts. So that is the kind of luxury that is being provided by the builder. So this is the bedroom. It is 18.6 by 13. You can look at the size. The size is more spacious than the first master bedroom. You also get an attached deck with your bedroom. I hope you found this video exciting and informative. If you want to see more such content, you can like, share and subscribe. And आपको अगर कुछ भी queries होंगे, you can leave them in the comment section below. You can also reach out to me on my phone number or my email. And remember, if you're buying, selling or investing, the right guidance can make a lot of difference. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.